Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Even though we're many miles away, we are thinking about you on Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
We'll get some footage out here and show you some of the nice scenery. There's probably a lot less snow than there was last time we were out here. We definitely enjoy this hike because it's a hard workout and it's sunny and beautiful.
Absolutely. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
So here we are on Mount Rose. We chose this trail to send you a rose on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
We're sending you a rose from Mount Rose for Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day again. First time we came out here, this is the spot we turned around at. And we're actually at 7,000 feet of elevation, but we figured for Mother's Day, we would go a little bit further. We'll see how high up we can get. When we get there, we'll take another video and share it with you.
Bye.
We're taking a much needed food break here. We're up about 7,700 feet of elevation, or somewhere around there anyway. And this is our view as we're stopping to eat. There's Nettie. Lily's getting some grub, and I'm getting a snack too. Hello again. You can see the beautiful view we have behind us. That looks down into the Washoe Valley. We can see a long ways from up here. Anyway, see you at the pond. Well, we made it to Church's Pond. Wave, Nettie. Made it up here. Lily's swimming in the pond.
Go on, go swimming. Go, come on, go swimming. Come on. Come on. Where's my girl at? There's my girl. Go swimming. Go swimming, go. All right, come on. Come on. Come here. All the way. Oh, there you go.
So here's part of the pathway going down to Church's Pond. We finally made it up here. Now we are walking back out. We got Nettie and Lily.
Hey.
Here we go. Sorry, Nettie.
Lily took a picture of Lily ended up going swimming. Go see Daddy.
Yeah, Lily was in the pond.
Lily went to Church's Pond. Huh? Did you go swimming? Let's go. Did you go swimming? You did? Come on, let's go. Did you go swimming? Are you all excited? Hi, did you go swimming? Did you go swimming? I know. We're tired.
We're tired. But we made it to Church's Pond, and we're out of the switchbacks, and we are working our way up, or down, oh, thankfully down, working our way down to the car. So maybe the next time we see you, it'll be at the car.
Love you.
Love you. Well, we are back to the car. What was it, about a little over 5 hours?
5 hours, yeah.
Yeah, so that was a lot of hiking. Got a lot of altitude, but we made it to Church's Pond. We're excited. Lily's already on her perch,
Yeah.
and we're ready to crash for the night.
Hey, Lily, say goodbye.
Say goodbye, Lily. Yeah, trust us. Lily says goodbye.
Love you guys.
Love you. Bye.